All right, good morning, happy homeowners. Second day over here in Long Beach. It's like finding gold. Originally we thought it was a rustic white oak, but once we got it sanded, come to find out it is American cherry, which is just rare, and it's just a beautiful floor. We're doing all the fine sanding right now. Let's go in and take a look at it. Look at that, look at that. Remember from yesterday? That dark stain that was here, we took those boards out, replaced them with the wood from the closet. This area here, replaced that. Whew, what a difference. Look at that. We're about an hour away from putting the clear coated finish on. Remember all the little waffle looks from the carpet? So we took the wood out of this closet, used it for the repairs. So it's the exact same wood, the exact same age, everything. So, all right, next video will be us almost finished.